We are WG Locksmiths team, and today we will be looking at how to take pictures and videos of your door lock. Part 1. Videos. Video. A. 240-degree angle view of your locks. 240-degree angle. Make sure you include the entire locking system. Video. B. External view of the hinges. All hinges clearly visible. Video. C. Internal view of the hinges. Again, all hinges clearly visible. Part 2. Pictures. Internal view. External view. Door edge view. Hinges pictures. Internal view. External view. Please follow the same pattern if you have a wooden door and your current lock setup includes night latch and deadlock. Here is how it should look like. Night latch, 3 pictures, different angle. Deadlock, 3 pictures, different angle. Please contact us with the findings from this tutorial. This will help us to give you the best advices and quote. Thank you for watching.